Bala's Journal Summer Special Series. Hi friends, welcome to Bala's Journal. Today we are going to make a very yummy milkshake, which is an all-time kids' favorite, even for grown-ups. It's an Oreo milkshake. We are going to see how to make an Oreo milkshake in 2 ways. We are going to make an Oreo milkshake with ice cream, vanilla ice cream, and without ice cream. Now, let's get started. First, let's see how to make an Oreo milkshake without ice cream. Now let's see the ingredients. We need 1 full glass of cold milk, and you need 4 to 5 Oreo cookies, and you guys need to and then we need crumbled 4 to 5 Oreo cookies. We are using this for the decorations, and we need chocolate syrup. You guys can use any chocolate syrup. Then we need 1 teaspoon of sugar. Let's check out how to make it. First, take your blender, then take your Oreo cookies and add it. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now let's blend it. Then it will turn into a fine paste. Then we can add our cold glass of milk. Let's blend it. Our Oreo cookies have turned into little crumbs. Now let's add our cold glass of milk. Ooh, so cold. Let's blend it again. Now our Oreo milkshake is ready. Let's pour it into the jug. Before that, let's decorate it with some chocolate syrup. Hold it. Just so cool. Now let's pour it into the cup. Let's pour it. Now let's decorate it with our crumbled Oreos. Just take some, just decorate it. Just sprinkle some here and there. Wow, this looks fantastic. Now let's see how to make an Oreo milkshake with vanilla ice cream. Let's check out the ingredients. We need 1 full glass of cold milk, 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, and 4 to 5 Oreo cookies. And we're going to use our crumbled Oreo cookies as decoration again. And we also need chocolate syrup as decoration too. Now let's check out how to make an Oreo milkshake with vanilla ice cream. First step is to take your blender and add your Oreo cookies. So now we're going to add our vanilla ice cream. If you guys want, you guys can add a teaspoon of sugar if you guys want more sweetness. And yeah, now let's blend it. Now let's add our cold glass of milk. Now let's blend it. Our Oreo milkshake is ready. Let's take our chocolate syrup and decorate it. First, open it up. Hold your glass like this. Just start at 1 point. Yeah, that's enough. Now, let's pour our Oreo milkshake with ice cream. let's add our scoop of ice cream. Take your Oreo crumbs and just decorate it. It's looking so delicious. Now let's add a little bit more of chocolate syrup. Yep, that's enough. Looks so delicious. Our Oreo milkshake is ready. This is the one with ice cream and this is the one without ice cream. They both look so delicious. And if you guys think this Oreo milkshake looks very yummy, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And thank you all so much. And subscribe to my channel for more videos.